Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. The title of the project is Computer Vision Approach for Liver Tumor Classification using CT Dataset. And the abstract of the project: liver cancer is a sort of dangerous cancer and difficult to detect. It usually causes death for both gender, men and women. Therefore, so it's more necessary for care to immediately and correctly examine nodules. Accordingly, several techniques have been implemented to detect liver cancer in the earlier stages. In this process, a comparative analysis of different techniques based on machine learning for detection of liver cancer have been presented. There have been too many methods developed in recent years to diagnose liver cancer, most of them utilizing CT scan images. In addition, feature extraction methods are paired with deep learning algorithm. In deep learning, we specifically use the transfer learning algorithm like ResNet-50 algorithm to use image recognition to extract the features from the liver cancer liver cancer images. From this process, it has been found that CT images are suitable to have the accurate results. Therefore, mostly CT scan images are used for detection of cancer. In addition, the result that obtained from the methods-based machine learning techniques achieved higher accuracy. The machine learning algorithm is implemented, like random forest algorithm is implemented and predict the results based on accuracy, precision, recall, and FN score. And the flow diagram of the project is: first we need to select and view the CT scan images, and it will apply into pre-processing technique. In pre-processing, we are applying the clay filter which is used to increase the contrast of the input images, and after that it will be implemented into feature selection module. In feature selection, we need to choose the independent and dependent variable. After that, we need to split the independent and dependent variable into training dataset and testing dataset for cross validation purpose. After that, it will apply into feature extraction method. In feature extraction, we are using transfer learning algorithm like ResNet-50. In ResNet-50, we have to apply the independent variable train data and extract independent variable train data and independent variable test data and extract the features from the images. After that, it will implement into classification method. In classification, we are applying random forest algorithm. Random forest algorithm is one of the ensemble learning algorithm, which is ensemble of more number of decision tree algorithm. So it will take the more decision and will choose the finite best decision. So in that, we have to use the random forest algorithm and applies the input of ResNet-50 features. So after that, it will generate the result based on accuracy, precision, recall, and FN score. Finally, the user manually select the images, and the user can predict the images. Is it the liver cancer images or normal images by using random forest and ResNet feature extraction method. I was successfully ran my program in Anaconda Navigator Spider IDE, and this is the first module, data selection and loading module. In that, I have selected the data and we use the sample images of normal and tumor images for liver CT images. And after that, I have to check the minimum height and minimum width and maximum height and maximum width for every images in the normal and liver tumor images. After that, I have read only sample images and apply the segmentation. After that, I have to apply the clay filter which is used to increase the contrast of the input images. So I have to implement the clay filter as a function. In that, I have to use the function in data pre-processing method. In data pre-processing, I have read all the images and apply the clay filter and resize the images into 65,60. That means height is 65 and also width is 65, which is used to help the prediction method. After that, I have to apply the feature extraction method. In feature extraction, I am using ResNet-50 algorithm. It's a transfer learning algorithm which is used to extract the features of the normal and tumor liver CT images. And these are also summary result of ResNet-50 algorithm. And the ResNet-50 algorithm get the overall parameter is 2,35,87,712. These are all the non-trainable parameters. So I have to apply the features into random forest algorithm and train the images based on these ResNet algorithm features and random forest method. And that random forest achieves 80% of accuracy. And these are the classification report: precision, recall, FN score for normal and a tumor for liver CT scan image, and precision is the number of correct prediction, and recall is the correct instance of prediction, and F1 score is to measure the test accuracy. The average of the F1 score for normal and tumor liver CT scan images, which is going to provide the accuracy of your algorithm. And this is the confusion matrix. So I have to show the plot for the confusion matrix, and this is 0 is normal and 1 is tumor. So in that 93 images are correctly prediction and 12 images are misclassified for the normal classes, and in tumor classes 52 images are correctly predicted and 23 images are wrongly predicted. And after that, in prediction method I have choose one input images from our directory, and the exact image is tumor, and also our algorithm predicted result is tumor. So this is the overall process. And